IKEA is by far the best restaurant in the world. Hello YouTube! It's my first vlog and today we're going to IKEA. Is this an entrance? Wow, the light. Well, we're hungry though, so we're gonna eat first. Oh, free samples. We're just waiting for free samples. Well, it's oat biscuits with chocolate. Well, I'm gonna finish it most likely. Got one. Yeah. You grab one, I grab one. Okay, where are we going? That's not ice cream, baby.
What is it?
It's shrimp.
Oh.
I'm just eating like a lot of free samples. Damn! Cake. It's not hot, but that will do. Damn, cake. Damn. I don't know how to say it. Hot mulled cider day. It's not hot, but it'll do. So, who likes IKEA? I'm okay. I'm not very biased all the time. So if you ask me about equipment, I'll be very strict. Do not buy beds or bed frames from IKEA. They break. But the other things, they surprise me with kitchen equipment, living room equipment like sofas, chairs, dining tables, and their drawers. Look at that. Slam that babe. Slam it hard. It doesn't slam. Can you slam that too? Beauty. Oh, this one doesn't have a stopper. It doesn't have a stopper. Elephant. Welcome to my future kitchen. Liar. IKEA says it better. Make room for self-expression. Monitors your stocks and changes in the weather. Just have a screen running like Tony Stark. Jarvis. 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 Oh my god, that's $60 now. This used to retail for $80. This would be perfect for anyone who has miniatures, you know? Miniatures, models. You should grab this. So anyone who's in Canada right now, IKEA is offering this display case for $80 or $60 instead of $80. Smile for the camera. Yes. So this is crazy. All my years of shopping in IKEA, I never knew that they actually sold downstairs.